Hey everyone, my name is Zero Warner, and as an experienced affiliate marketer, I know how hard it is to get the ball rolling with your online affiliate marketing business. I mean, think about it, there's so many things to think about. You've got a squeeze page, a bridge page, an autoresponder, writing emails for that autoresponder, uploading those emails, finding affiliate offers to promote, getting approved for those affiliate offers, converting traffic, finding traffic, EPCs, split testing, boom! It's so much that it's enough to make your head explode, and it's no wonder why 95% of people give up before they make their first dollar online. Now, it's a big deal because every day I read countless emails, Facebook messages and texts from struggling affiliate marketers about just how hard it is to make their first commission online. Now, I know firsthand how it feels because I experienced it too. It would take me years of trying different methods, strategies, and tools until I made my first commission online. At the time when I started out, I was sucked into the rabbit hole of useful but incomplete information that I would pick up from all the YouTube videos, blog articles, and guru webinars that I could get my hands on. Now, I was desperate for a clue about how to make my first sale as an affiliate. But before I got that first email, I had a long road paved with failures ahead of me. Almost every so-called fast and easy method that I found was anything but fast and anything but easy. I would sit there on my affiliate account page, frantically refreshing the stats after I sent some links out, hoping to see my commission bars grow. But of course, they did not. And then I found myself with some self-doubt starting to creep in, and I started to ask myself, does affiliate marketing really work? Is Facebook really the best place to advertise my affiliate links? Maybe the strategy is sound, maybe it works, and the problem's me. What am I doing wrong? Why isn't it working for me? See, the most frustrating thing about being an affiliate marketer is the not knowing. Not knowing if you're doing it right or wrong, not knowing if you should stop or persist, not knowing if you've selected the right product to promote, not knowing if you've picked the right traffic strategy, not knowing if there's a better way that you don't know about, not knowing who to trust. And if you're feeling that way, then I challenge you to stop. Take a breath, take a moment and realize that these thoughts, as scary as they are, affect us all when we're starting out. But if you want to stop struggling and start knowing how to amp up your velocity in the affiliate marketing game, then listen up, because I'm about to share with you what I discovered. After analyzing what all the super affiliates were doing, I discovered they all followed a pattern, a repeating formula, one that they knew they could rely on to produce results day in, day out, no matter what. I realized that's what I was missing, a simple blueprint with a step-by-step formula that I could just follow to get me results. Instead of jumping around from strategy to strategy, trying different things without getting the results I wanted. So I took my time to stalk some super affiliates, broke down their businesses, and distilled it all into a formula so simple that I could teach it to anyone else. That way, that's how I know it would be foolproof. So if you're looking for a simple way to make a consistent $100 a day without a learning curve, or you just need a fast-track solution to help you pay some bills, then allow me to share with you my formula. Introducing Affiliate Velocity. Affiliate Velocity is a complete step-by-step training course that takes the years of trial and error that I faced and that you're potentially facing and condenses it all into an easy-to-digest video series. I designed this course to be so simple that even if you are an absolute beginner in the affiliate marketing game, you will have everything you need to start running profitable campaigns. If you've got 30 minutes a day, then in just 30 days, Affiliate Velocity will teach you how to go from zero to your first affiliate success, even if you just started affiliate marketing last night. If you follow each module inside the course to a T, then I guarantee you will walk away with a profitable affiliate marketing business and a responsive email list of your own in as little as 30 days. You will know exactly where to get profitable affiliate offers to promote, how to get approved to promote them, how to set up a high converting affiliate site without getting too technical, without coding anything, without getting stuck. You will create multiple streams of income from day one to set yourself up for maximum profit even before you start driving traffic. You'll start building an email list fast, putting hundreds of quality subscribers on your email list from day one to create a long-lasting income that you can build on. You'll get fill-in-the-blank affiliate emails to promote any affiliate offer, and I'll show you how to load these emails into your autoresponder and how to automate the sending so they make sales for you 24/7. You'll find out where to get traffic, even if you're on a small budget, to consistently drive targeted visitors to your affiliate links and convert your prospects quickly so that you can reinvest your profits to scale. That's how, in as little as 30 minutes a day, Affiliate Velocity sets you up to start making money as an affiliate marketer right away. Now, I'm not saying you're going to make thousands right away, but if you do implement what you learn inside Affiliate Velocity fast, then you'll definitely see results quicker than you think. Once I finalized Affiliate Velocity and saw the amazing results that our newbie beta testers were getting, I wanted to keep this product as a high ticket offer only with an agreed retail price of $197 to keep it exclusive, as the potential inside Affiliate Velocity could be literally harnessed by anyone. However, I decided to take a step back as I realized that not everyone can afford a $197 price tag. And like you, I understand what it feels like to be broke and struggling. And this is why I have made Affiliate Velocity as affordable as possible to everyone. The process is 100% idiot proof. I explain every step that you need to take. I even provide you with fill-in-the-blank templates for web pages and emails so that you don't have to do any thinking at all. You just copy and paste. I also have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if after 30 days you don't make any money from implementing the Affiliate Velocity method, simply shoot me an email and I'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. Now there is no excuse to not being able to make an affiliate marketing business work for you online. It's time for you to finally make some good money online. So go ahead and click the button below to get started, and I'll see you on the inside.